Nani?
Hello, welcome to Made by Joy and my mix and match series. Today I'm going to show you guys my outfit practice for working from home period due to that damn coronavirus which is like spreading all around the world right now. For those who are brand new to my channel, so just call me Lola.
I do DIY fashions videos, fashions illustrations videos, and mixing and matching outfit videos.
Make sure that you hit the subscribe button to see more of them, especially to adore my face on screen.
Adore my face on screen.
So yeah, basically we all know that the war against that coronavirus will not be that short term. The thing that we can work from home now is actually a blessing, But don't lie to me. I know why working from home, we all make ourselves so damn chill in what we wear.
But come on.
At least we need to keep some professional vibe by dressing up as, usual working thing on our upper body part, just like mine previously in the videos, so as to make some video calls for our clients or colleagues. Because of that, may I present you 5 ways to style real quick while being quarantined at home and working at the same time. I put each of them in a real life common situations that we got. Just imagine you don't have enough time to change your clothing, or you are actually just so damn lazy. So 5 ways are applied for 5 working days per week, so later you can repeat it.
Just a smaller note.
I will style my upper body part only because at home my lower part prefer comfort.
Nani?
Prefer comfort.
Alright, let's get started. Okay, scenario 1. When you don't know what to wear, so put black on. Whatever black, t-shirt, collar, turtleneck. Here I choose the basic one, black t-shirt. During this time, people say it's normal to talk to your plants or pets. I don't have any, so I talk with my clothing instead. I don't know is it a good or bad thing, but none of them reply to my conversation. In order to look more professional, put on some accessories like earrings, or at least tie your hair, okay? Don't make yourself a joke with that morning massive hair. Scenario 2. When you are just getting off the bed, wear a long shirt dress. With this one, you don't have to change while working on a video call. Yeah, it's a sleepwear, but who cares? They only see your upper part. Just fix a bit. Well, I'm so proud of myself that I bought the right thing. Is it because I can fortune tell about this quarantine? Scenario 3. When you just had a passionate sex and you have no idea where your clothes are, and your partner left you such a huge neck hickey. Quickly grab your boyfriend hoodies, or here I grab the white shirt. Make it more stylish by mixing it with a cloth, ribbon, or napkin, or whatever to hide your crime last night, okay? Well, it's not a bad thing not to reveal, but it's not a good thing to show either. Ooh, that girl looks so damn fresh and energetic and elegant. Thinking about it, I don't have boyfriend, so alright, jump to scenario 4. When you just finished exercising with your sport bra on, put on a blazer for a chic and professional look. Ooh, I'm feeling so damn bossy and empowered now. Give me more work, I'm gonna nail it. Well, just kidding. Okay, scenario 5, last but not least. When you've just done showering and you come out of the bathroom with your towel on only. Yeah, this time also put on a blazer. Use the belt to transform your blazer into a dress-like style. Your colleagues have no idea behind the scenes. But this time choose the big size one, like daddy blazer. Well, when I say daddy, I mean man blazer, okay? Not sugar daddy blazer. Oh, come on, my sugar girls. Let's be independent. Your sugar daddy money and now you even use his blazer? Oh my god, what I'm talking about. Ta-da! So, I've gone through with you 5 ways to quickly style while working from home. Hope you find it useful and I wish you had a good time watching it. For those who are, seriously take my advice, please bear in mind that don't ever stand up while video calling your clients or your colleague using my kind of style, okay? Because
You know what?
but just in case, if anybody wants to do that, if anybody wants to show your Superman or your Doraemon panties, then just feel free. I'm not judging. It's just for, merely for nonsense fun only, because I just want to cheer you up after a period of time being quarantined at home. Hope you and your family stay healthy, stay safe during this period. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Bye.